to change your pickup location in Lyft. So first, open the Lyft app and make sure that it's the latest version as well, or else it might not work. So after you schedule your locations and you tap done, and you mistakenly find out that you have filled or gave a wrong information and you want to change your pickup location, simply you'll see your screen something like this. And from here, if you want to change your pickup location, simply tap on the back arrow on the left, then again tap on the back arrow on the top left corner. And here Lyft will take you to a screen from where you've previously selected the start and destination. Simply tap on start and write the correct location from where you want to be picked up. And after you've selected your correct pickup location, you can now follow the same usual steps you used to follow before, and it is that easy. This is how you can change your pickup location in Lyft. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.